Hello guys, this is a quick video on how to nuke your own server on Discord. So you can do this if you're an admin on server or if somebody invited you to be an admin on server. So first thing, you need to log into Discord account and then go to XenonBot. You're gonna click on invite and then you're gonna choose a server. When you do that, you're gonna go continue and authorize, and when you go back to the Discord server, the XenonBot will be there. So the next thing you need to do is type in this message. So you can copy it from here, see, like this, and then paste here, click enter, and here you can delete roles, delete channels, load roles, load channel, load settings, everything you need to do. Go and confirm, and you can do whatever of these things you need to do. So that will be all for today. Make sure to throw us a subscribe for more useful tips. Bye.